Interspire Email Marketer not only includes everything you need to manage contacts, but you can also create and send your email campaigns directly from within the application as well. So let's look at how to create a new email campaign now. So from the Email Campaigns tab, we'll click Create an Email Campaign. Now let's go with the example we've been using of leads in a trade show. So I'll send a follow-up email to my leads from the trade show. I'll send it to them in HTML and text. Now that's called multi-part. So when they receive the email, their email client, such as Outlook or Gmail, will choose which version looks best for them and display that version. So that's why you choose a multi-part, which is HTML and text, over just HTML or just text. So you can see here I can choose if I want to use a template for my email. If I don't, I can just select no template, but Email Marketer actually includes dozens of professionally designed email templates out of the box. So you can see there's business ones here. The preview comes up over here. Medical, real estate, children, family, friendship. Okay, so because in this example we're using trade show leads, I'll use a more professional looking email campaign. I'll choose this campaign here and click next. So the subject of my email, which will be how did you like a trade show, for example. So I can create content in the editor here. I can upload a file from my computer, which will go into the editor, or I can import a HTML file from a website. So in this example, I'll just use the editor here. Now what you'll see in this editor is the actual template we've selected with some dummy text here that you can obviously change. Now down the side, you'll notice a plus button here and here. So if I wanted to duplicate this side block, I could just click on plus, and it's duplicated down here, and I can change the text, obviously. I can remove it as well. It's the same for in the middle here. I can duplicate a block and make changes and keep doing that as many times as I like. Okay, so we'll set up a dummy campaign here. Now let's put in a custom field. So because I'm sending it to my trade show leads, I'll put in their company name. So we'll make this, so the placeholder here, the custom field will be replaced with each contact's company name when it's actually sent out, because we set that up earlier as a custom field. Now I can also insert an unsubscribe link, which is done for me automatically, but if I was doing my own campaign, I'd simply click this, and the link is placed in there. Now the text version of the campaign, I can type it into this box, I can upload a file, or import a file from my website as well. Now what's also handy in here is if I've got text in the HTML version and I don't want to retype it for the text version, I click that button, and the text is automatically taken from my HTML version and placed in the box. So that just makes it easier to create multi-part email campaigns. So in this example, I'll simply, because my email is in HTML, I don't want to send a text version, so I'll just ask people to visit the website and view the web version. Now I insert a custom field here, which will actually show the HTML version of the email campaign in the web browser, which is just linked to the web version of this email. That's inserted there. So anyone that can't read the HTML version in their email client will see this with a link to read it online in their browser. I can also check my email for spam keywords. So at the moment they don't break any rules, but if I typed in some known spam words, which I can do up here, then the spam report will actually give my email a rating. There's a separate rating for the HTML and text versions. So you can see that because I typed in the spam keyword here, my email was rated 1.6 out of a possible 5. so it's less likely to go through. So if I go back and change that in the text campaign, for example, here, then it's now fine. It doesn't break any spam rules. So this isn't a definitive guide to email deliverability, but it does help manage your email campaigns to make sure they're clean. I can also view my email campaign in different email clients, how it will be rendered. So all the different email clients are along here. So to see how it might look in Hotmail, I click that button. Any rules that I've broken in my email campaign design are listed along here. So Outlook 2003, Yahoo, Outlook 2007, and Gmail. All of our templates are actually designed to look great in all of the major email clients. So if you use one of our built-in templates, then you don't really have to worry about email compatibility. So that's all there is in terms of creating a campaign. You can send yourself a preview just by putting in your email address here and hitting preview. We're done, so I'll hit save and exit, and you can see that my campaign has been created. Now also along here, I forgot to include an unsubscribe link in the text version of my email. So Email Marketer will actually tell me that I've forgotten to do that. So I can just go back in, edit, come back down to the text version, and I can insert an unsubscribe link here, save my changes, and you'll notice that message has gone away now. So here's my email campaign, ready to send, which we'll do in the next step.